Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notification not working. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open up or launch your Facebook Messenger app, which of course I have done right here. And now the next thing is, how can you get the Messenger app? You can get it on Google Play Store, Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar, and in the search bar type Messenger and follow through with the on-screen prompt to install. After installing, it's going to take you to the sign up page where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in or you log in successfully, it's going to take you to the home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Messenger. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications not working. Now, for you to do that, you're going to have to open up your settings. So I'm just going to open up my phone settings. Now, this is different with the phone that you're using. Okay, so the settings that I have here may not be the same way it is on your phone due to the peculiarities of phone making. So I'm just going to locate the apps in your phone settings and select no Facebook, but Facebook Messenger. So I'm not selecting Facebook. I'm going to deselect this and click on Messenger. So over here, the first thing that you have is notifications, and as you can see, notifications off. So if you see this notifications and you have off right next to it, it means you will not get notifications. So click on that notifications, and where you have all messenger notifications, you see this toggle. So toggle it on, and once you toggle it on, you have all the notifications. So have all the notifications turned on and they're enabled. So once this is enabled, then you begin to receive all the notifications. If this has been turned off, you will not receive notifications, but if this is toggled on, then you will see all your notifications. So ensure that this is done, and once it's done, that's going to be fixed. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.